Telegram has introduced the Member Tags feature, allowing you to label and organize group members by roles, titles, or nicknames for a clearer and more structured group experience. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Now, go to the group chat where you have admin privileges. Next, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. You will then see the list of all group members. Long press on the name of the person you want to add a tag to. A new option will appear called Edit Admin Tag. If you don't see it, make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on it. Enter the member tag in the provided field. You can include your role, title, or how you're recognized in the group. Once done, tap Edit Tag. The member's tag will be updated immediately. Everyone in the group will be able to see the new tag next to that member's name. You can repeat the same steps to add or update tags for other members in the group. This feature helps clearly identify members' roles or titles, making group management more organized and transparent. If you want to let your group members set their own tags, tap the pen icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, go to Permissions to adjust what members are allowed to do. Now, find the option called Edit Own Tags and tap the slider next to it to turn it on. Finally, tap the tick mark in the top right corner to save your changes. From now on, your group members will be able to create or edit their own tags. And that's how you can easily add and manage member tags on Telegram Messenger.